Um, I'm doing my presentation on Forrest Gump, and my title is "Life is Like a Box of Chocolates." The genre for these are romance, drama, and comedy. Romance is he um he got with his childhood friend in the end, and for the comedy one, he for the comedy and drama one, he's like when he was sitting on a bench and then he asked this one lady, did she want some chocolates? Now he can eat a whole million and a half of them. And he's serious, but for the watchers, that can come across as comedy. Um, and then for the messages, life is an adventure. Like he went from being from Alabama to going to Vietnam and fighting the war and just going all over, like being a fisherman and or well, being on a boat and stuff, and then going to other places in the world, and then anything is possible. Like he was running, and then he ran out of his braces, his leg braces, and like he could run, and then anything can happen. Like he was just a no one from Alabama, and then um he met the president. He met a famous singer and stuff like that. And yeah, that's the end of my presentation.